Hello, and welcome to our series on how to evaluate an AI solution for your business. My name is Michelle, and I'm the AI Education and Communication Lead here at Aseto AI. Over the next few videos, our goal is simple: to cut through the hype and give you a clear, practical guide for making smart decisions about AI. We know that for many businesses, AI can feel like a huge, complex topic. Our promise is to make it simple. So let's begin from the single most important step in any successful AI journey, starting with the right problem. When a powerful new technology like AI starts appearing in the news every day, it's natural to get excited about it. Business owners everywhere start to feel a pressure, a sense that they need to do more with AI, which leads to the question, how can we use AI in our business? But this is actually the number one mistake that we're seeing businesses make. It's like buying a very expensive, very powerful new construction tool before you've even decided what you want to build. You end up wandering around your business looking for a nail for your fancy new hammer. This solution-first approach almost always leads to disappointing results, wasted money, and a feeling that AI was just overhyped. So if how can we use AI is the wrong question to be asking, what is the right one? A truly successful AI strategy starts by forgetting about technology for a moment. Instead, look at your daily operations and ask a much simpler, more powerful question. What is our most repetitive, time-consuming, or frustrating process? Think about it. Is your staff spending hours each week on the phone just confirming appointments? Is your staff answering the same 5 customer questions over and over again all day long? Or is it the manual effort of sending follow-up messages to every single client after a service? You have to start with a real existing pain point. Now, once you've started looking for these pain points, you might find quite a few. The next challenge is deciding where to start. You can't tackle everything at once, and choosing the wrong first project could actually be discouraging. This is where you need a simple way to prioritize. The best strategy is to focus on finding a quick win, which is just a smart way to help you filter your ideas by looking at your company's readiness for a project and the potential impact the project will have. The goal is to help you avoid projects that are too risky, too expensive, or too low value for your first step into AI. It helps you find the perfect starting point by evaluating each idea against these 2 simple, practical factors. On the vertical axis, we have impact. This is the why. It is the tangible value you will get from solving the problem. Ask yourself, if this process were automated or improved, would it make a real noticeable difference in our business? Impact can come in many forms. It could be direct cost savings from reducing hours of manual work. It could be better customer experience, leading to better online reviews and more repeat business. Or it could be simply giving your team back more time to focus on the more important parts of their job. A high impact project is one that delivers real, measurable results for your business. The second factor on the horizontal axis is readiness. This is the how. It's a realistic check of how achievable the project is for you right now, without needing a huge new team or a huge new budget. Readiness comes down to 2 things. First, do you have the basic data needed to solve the problem? As a customer experience example, the data could be as simple as having the most frequently asked customer questions and their answers organized all in one place. Second, is the process clear? Does your team already follow a consistent set of steps that an AI could learn? High readiness means the project is practical and that you have the fundamental pieces in place to begin. So when you look at your list of frustrating processes through this lens, the path becomes clear. Your goal is to find a project that sits at the top right corner of this grid. This is your quick win, a project that is both high impact and high readiness. Let's look at a few different scenarios to make this clear. A project like automating simple invoice processing is clearly high impact, but if your records are a mess, your readiness is low, so this could be an example of a future project. On the other hand, A project like using AI to completely redesign your company logo might seem creative, but it's often low impact on your actual business goals and has a low readiness because it's a complex creative task, making it a project to avoid for now. A high readiness, low impact AI project could be a simple tool to automate sorting emails into folders. It provides a small convenience, but it doesn't meaningfully enhance business performance. Finding that sweet spot, like answering common customer questions where readiness is high, is the perfect place to start your AI journey. It will deliver real results quickly and build the confidence and momentum you need to tackle bigger projects later. So, to recap, before you even think about AI technology, use this simple approach. Look for a high impact, high readiness problem. This might be automating appointment reminders, instantly answering common customer questions, or sending personalized follow up messages. Always start with the problem, not the solution. Now that you've used this approach to identify your quick win, you'll face your next critical decision. Should you use a standard off-the-shelf tool or a solution tailored for your business? We'll break down this exact choice in our next video. Thank you for watching.